regulations will be brought in to first of all increase fixed penalty charges in respect of any transgressions of the law, also to raise the age to 18 years of age immediately, and then that will be followed by legislation in the autumn which will change the status of e-scooters to mechanically propelled vehicles. Now, the significance of that is that they will require licensing, registration, and also it would be an automatic ban on minors, but from 18 down, not 16. And then a full ban will be kept on the table as an option. We do need to see demonstrable improvement in terms of adherence to the laws. When I mentioned regulations earlier, those regulations in August will also insist on helmets and protective high-vis clothing as well as an immediate change. All of this designed to bring about a change in terms of both the use of e-scooters and to enhance the safety on them.